HINANCE news, we're talking about Block, their recent earnings report, their Cash App business, how I feel. How do you feel about Block, aka Square, aka Jack Dorsey's baby, trading at $80 as I make this video? So let's talk about some numbers. Block posted $1.66 billion in gross profit. That's 40% up year over year. So great growth. So they beat expectations of $1.53 billion that Wall Street had projected for them. So, I mean, that's a good jump above for what the expectations were. The company posted a net loss of $114 million or 19 cents per share. That's kind of like the bad news. So let's just, good that we get that out the way. And hopefully they can improve that number going forward. I think that would help them beat earnings if they can crunch that net loss a little bit lower. The company ended the year with a 51 million monthly transacting actives for Cash App in December. The minute that Cash App numbers start to go down, Block is in trouble. But I don't think we'll have that. They also noted that 2 out of 3 transactions each week came on average from those 51 million users, which is a 16% increase year over year. That's amazing, right? That means each person's literally 2 out of 3 times a week trading money back and forth on Cash App. That makes it a very active platform in my eyes. I don't know, but y'all can have a different view. I mean, versus PayPal, like Cash App is so much cooler versus PayPal, Venmo, Zelle, in my eyes. I don't know. That's just me. So its Cash App business reported $848 million in gross profit. $848 million in gross profit. 64% year over year. You're gonna tell me Cash App, the business, isn't very important to Block? Come on now. Come on, there's a lot of great news for Block. Block's trying to get into Bitcoin, but Cash App, to me, is their core business. It's the core finesse in the game right now. It's what's holding them up. 64% increase in gross profit. That's play money for them. So they also reported $1.3 billion in Bitcoin revenue in its Cash App unit during the fourth quarter, which is down 7% year over year, but higher than the $1.6 billion reported in the third quarter. So I would say that number, like, that's such a crazy amount. 1.83 billion in a quarter in revenue just in Bitcoin, right? They make money off the transactions. Each transaction, they're making some money. So a lot of Bitcoin sold in the fourth quarter, but they were still up 7% year over year. So they're still making money. I think this is another business model that's going to really boost them up. As long as the crypto trading continues, BTC trading continues specifically, if BTC continues to be the mother, which I think it will, and obviously when BTC increases, Cash App wins either way. So I think Block is an interesting company, and I think that the only thing in their way is the banking financial institutions in America. If they were not in Cash App's way, I think we'd be having a completely different conversation. Let's see. Jack Dorsey Block launches service provider, making Lightning more reliable. So Lightning is this platform to help these Bitcoin transactions move a little bit faster. And, they did bring the Lightning network to Cash App. If you get on your Cash App, you can kind of see you can make transaction through Lightning, which is a faster transaction, and they're just improving it. That's kind of what's happening, and which I'm not surprised. Jack Dorsey did say that he was going to focus on Bitcoin and that whole blockchain world. That is why they changed their name to Block, which I wonder if they're still fighting that. I wonder, literally, is Block still fighting for their name? That was in 21. We haven't heard anything recently. Maybe they hushed him up. Who knows? I don't know. Y'all let me know what y'all feel about Block missing earnings. They're doing what they need to do, in my eyes. How could they get better? I don't know. I'm not quite sure how they can get better. I guess, the losses, really just kind of crunching those losses. I'm a fan, though. I'm a happy shareholder. I'm not gonna lie. Y'all let me know how y'all feel about Block in the comment section below. If you're interested in joining the Future Millionaires Discord chat, shoot me a DM above on my Twitter or Instagram. I'll get you the details to join. We're just a group of investors trying to grow, sharing resources, and having daily conversations on financial topics. I appreciate y'all for watching. I'm signing out.